The secret to this incredible smoky jollof rice is to roast your veggies before blending. Here I have 2 red bell peppers, 6 tomatoes, 1 red onion and 1 scotch bonnet chili on a tray. Drizzle with some olive or sunflower oil, then bake in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once roasted, blend the vegetables into a puree. Sauté some sliced red onions in a large pot and add the blended mixture. If you don't know already, jollof rice is a classic West African dish that's easy to make and packed full of flavor. Each country has its own unique version of it, but honestly most of the principles are the same. Rice cooked in an aromatic blend of tomatoes and spices. Season with half a tablespoon of dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 2 bay leaves, 1 vegetable stock cube, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients together and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Next, add 3 cups of Golden Sella Basmati rice. This type of rice is my favorite for this recipe as it has a unique flavor and always turns out fluffy. You can also use long grain white rice if that's what you have. There's a lot of mixing and stirring that goes on in this early stage of cooking, but my top tip is that once the rice starts steam cooking, avoid stirring it mid-cook in order to prevent it from developing a mushy texture. Just wait until the end of the cooking time to mix it one last time, but again, avoid mixing it in the middle of cooking. Add 2 cups of hot water, stir again, cover and cook over low heat for 25 to 30 minutes until the rice is well cooked and has absorbed most of the liquid. And that's it! Serve it alongside any sides such as fried plantain, salad or moin. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll have a go at making it yourself. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comment section below and I will be very happy to answer them. Be sure to subscribe while you're here. I post a new video every week and I will catch you next time. Bye!